After there is some breaking news coming through. Me pese me de bremo. Yes, I had Ken Agyapong supporters. Actually, almost support Afri NPP mu. Adentia. Yes, abina shenkrofo kutupa. Ama kwa demolition NPP ni papa penyimu bi a ota finance party na party so support party no every time. But yama yako during the danyagu. Because of that, omu Ken Agyapong supporters ne say NPP no kro mu nyan support bill. Say campaign and ombe campaign a omu campaign. Chase ni omu be ye bia ombe support party ne bia no omu atwe omu ho afri. The NPP for enye omu niama. Omu de omu kan. This is the story. Or say die-hard supporters of Ken Agyapong withdraw support for NPP over alleged demolition of financiers' houses. So make last, the story be brem. The story was about NPP papa penimbo mumbi aye friend Otibonsu. You see I really didn't danyago. I don't know se sa Otibonsu no na omo ka no ho asem de amenti nchire. But yen do masuko na yen hwe details behind the story. A group calling itself die-hard supporters of Ken Agyapong has directed its members to suspend their campaign for the New Patriotic Party until further notice. You see, a group calling them itself die-hard supporters of Ken Agyapong. Oma stopping MPP supporting till what? Till further notice. Because till further notice, back. They can wake up tomorrow and say we are back. They can wake up next year, 3 years time, till further notice there. You cannot predict the date and time. Also, the group is protesting the alleged demolition of houses belonging to Mr. George Otibwating, a major financier of the ruling government. Just say, Menya dini ye but manya last name ni ye. Yes. This was the man I'm in the story. The name is not George Otibonsu, it's George Otibwati. He's very close to Ken Agyapong. TSS papa we or sponsor party no. A sika a supportive party no every time. But yako during and daya day agu. Abina ko during and dayagu. Abain so nyam me ma ban na wa ban e MPP abain te ba na say no bi o support party no motimi hwe nyam yanim ene bonsamatiko ekoko dwiri ni dan for what reason? That is according to them. I'm quoting them. According to the group, some top officials in the government have destroyed a multi-million-dollar estate belonging to Mr. Otibwating at Ajringano in Accra. And in Crawford and Samuel can say some top officials empenyufo twotwowurobi ewa ban no mu a omo ahye kutupa ama yako dwiri George Otibwating ne multi-million-dollar estate ewa Ajirigano in Accra. I hope you watching you know Ajirigano there in small houses nesi wo Trasako num East Legon, Cantonments, Airport Hills, Ajirigano. Those areas there and small places only dollars out to now. Expensive houses. So Mr. George Otibwating, you say the fear was spending dollars I see. Ewa Ajirigano, abayna ko duriya tuagu. Or say the group claims that the demolition was politically motivated and that Mr. Otibwating has been targeted because of his support for Ken Agyapong. And reason they say, one say, earlier I told you that the man is close to what? Ken Agyapong. And you know, as my group ni can say, ni say, George Otibwating no, too close to Ken Agyapong na was sign supporting Ken Agyapong. And the essence said George Otibwating supported Ken Agyapong Montino. And on my shed that. A bina shed that say, I didn't see the supporting way I was supporting or supported by me. To your friends say, I didn't see a support we are one support now, co supporting Ken Agyapong. And because of that, no, it was politically motivated. A buying a share that say, or supporting Ken Agyapong, the young dream and dying. You see, that is according to them. And your mom say, and yes, say, a brantena ye bibiatia party do. Because a brantena ye day, and as a papa no supporting Ken Agyapong and Tino, and on dream and dying a good. Just say all supporting Ken Agyapong in our primaries ni super delegates congress no munina na ya targeting a dada. No more targeting Mr. Boatin say baby wunda yam. Afedeti ha. The patron for the group Nana Opoku-Agyeman addressed the media on Monday and disclosed that thousands of their members will not vote for NPP's flag bearer, Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia, if the authorities fail to apologize and compensate Mr. Oti Boatin. There's a more can say, omu patron for the group. Your friend of Nana Opoku-Agyeman, addressing media no say. So man compensating Mr. George Boatin, Mr. George Oti Boatin. There is no way I've met to Obama NPP and answer on the campaign Ama Bawumia and answer NPP. Omunye. Enti omu pa they should compensate the guy. Say ya juri udanyabu. A multi-million dollar, a $20 million, $30 million, then $50 million, then ya say ya mouse say, kwana kopewe full front na. Na so one yen sa no muka omwanu tumundia. There's no way they vote for NPP. Also, the group is demanding justice for Mr. Oti Boatin and calling on the government to take immediate action to address their concerns. Nti omu fre abayne se abayne nyeden abayne yen tentem embra mbeyeden embeka omu asem omu. They should come and then address them, showing that okay asema amukaye yatie wa supam BBC and ye afam. I say if the government is not ready to do that, they'll vote against NPP. You see? Do you know something? Are you wino? Met Mark say acquire say personal interest. NPP have minded to succeed. As a say Ghana ni bia na vinya adwuma bia to abate NPP. Ghana ni bia only me nyansa. The person get to vote against this government. It's a fact. It shouldn't be said obia ko dwiri wudanyagu ansa na obeto atiam. Aban na nkase ya aban bia ejijin sase dada. Ankran government lands ye jiji yesi ye de ma private developer or the koyede. Sagleme ya nyeni ye ton as Canada hwan botum. Besia ye bo no kra na ye hu bebe ewo. Na ya ton japade. Senate die we koku Japan sorry ya ton. You see? Nti aban we die they deserve opposition. Ezo moko opposition kwatenase. Ehun se o man kasa nkwasia niama we na yeye. Ti ye ba aban mu next time ayenye. If not that, that's a government way to us why. You, I'm telling you. So we Ghana ni na wadwin ya adwuma vote against this government. I'm telling you. Hey, munim ni eba on. Oh, no problem. You don't know. Medin the King Fantastic. Ghanaian Citizen TV. So, mbetini apasi. Mo comment section. Ida munyi nasi.